Got a 454 right here, black, getting ready to drop into this fucking Suburban. Check out that fucking train now. Alright, check it out, let's go. See what these guys are doing over here. Hey, so, whoa, what's going on?
We're making chicken at Pro Stop.
Pro where?
Pro Stop.
In?
Colton.
There we go. So what are you doing right now?
I'm gonna stuff this thing full of sweet, tender, loving goodness.
Really?
Watch me work.
Now watch me nay. Look at the bird's eye.
It's all about the dad right now.
Look at that bird's eye.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
This is thyme.
Thyme, huh?
Mm-hmm. Get it down in there. This is rosemary.
What's up, Rosemary?
2 key ingredients to any wonderful cooking. Now, here's where it's going to matter. Now we're going to truss our chicken. We're going to make him nice and plump. And the way to do that is need some butcher twine. About that much. See?
I only got like half of your length.
And so, what you do is keep the chicken away from you, the breast away. Come over and see that neck right there? Make sure I'm even here.
Yep.
You see that neck right there?
Yep.
You want to get it just over that neck. See that? Once you do that, under the wings, and through the legs, and here, we want to do one of these numbers.
What is that number called?
So if you ever wonder when you go to the grocery store and be like, how do they get those legs like that? This is a quick 101 tip for it.
Hold on.
You'll get it. Come on, go back to your Navy days.
Let's do 2 loops. Come on, string. Nice and tight. Cinch. God damn. Cinch it off. Now, once we got that, take the excess, trim it off. Take your wings and tuck them in your knot there. See the string? Tuck it in, and there we go. We got a trussed chicken. Now, with that, we want to give it a little bit of seasoning. Isn't that beautiful?
Just gonna help myself, guys. Pro Stop seasoning.
Evenly all around, right?
Mm-hmm. Working the breast a little bit. Look at that. That is practically ready for the grill. Now, let's go look at the other one.
There's another one? Yeah.
They're about to get turned off, I think.
Yep.
Seeds out there.
Yep. Alright, guys. So that was the before. This is right there, a little glimpse of after. And how long has that been on the grill for?
About 2 hours.
There you go. 2 hours, ladies and gentlemen.